Hello, this is a little video of my aircraft that I've designed. Let me just pass this ship here. Okay, this is my 3D cockpit of this vehicle. This is my pilot. He'll be flying while I'm showing you around a bit. We are flying in between these islands. We're flying at 15 feet above the water surface, and we're moving at 132. Okay, we're slowing down for our landing. We've got a basic cockpit layout. We've got a cyclic, throttle, power, map indication, all these things that are required for the navigation. We're coming for landing. Okay, this is a bit off. We're actually supposed to land at 75 knots. This platform I'm using is a bit different. Okay, Bob's giving us the beans again. Okay, according to rules and regulations, we are allowed to fly at about 35 feet above the surface. This is our operating parameters in accordance with our rules and regulations of this type of vessel. Now if we can just go a bit and see our cabin outside, inside, whatever. Oh, we've got a very, very large cabin. As you can see, this is a 29-seater version. This one will not be built first. This is the third one, I think, that we will build. The first one will only have 12 seats. This is just to enable us to get this process better under the belt. We've got two sections here at the back. This one will be the toilet, and the other will be more for like a baggage, or could even be a galley. Oh, they were landing again. Bob is a very good pilot, still programming the sequencings. This here at the rear is the only opening that will enter the aircraft. This is our door. I'm going to open it. Sorry, it still needs to be accommodated. Here we've got our two ducted fans and our engines, as you can see. Okay, we're moving. Okay, we're gonna have to go back inside now. Bob's taking off again. Close the door. Okay, this is the exterior of the aircraft. And this is how she operates. So just to take a recap on the exterior of the aircraft, we have actually got three lifting bodies, three lifting wings. The main wing will be the fuse, which is a lifting body. Attached to this are the forward sweeping dihedral and hedral wings, and with the trim wing, which will be also a lifting wing. It's 3 degrees to design waterline. Okay, I'm gonna jump forward a lot now because here I did a little speed trial. This is just to see how far she can go, so I can see if the software, this platform, is comparable with the CFDs I've done. It's very accurate, it's not too bad. Just gonna forward a bit. Whoa. We did some U-turns. Okay, here we're going again. We're gonna do a little jump somewhere. I don't think we'll do any more landings. Okay, to explain this aircraft a bit. As you can see, we've got two ducted fans. They're 6-bladed ducted fans. They're fixed, and they're actually operating in opposite directions, so this helps a lot with the stability of the aircraft. We've got 2 power plants and pods on pylons. These are internal combustion engines. They're Wankel rotary engines. Turbocharged, of course. So they each deliver a 345 horsepower. They've got a planetary gear system. It reduces so the propellers turn at optimal speed. We've got, as you can see, we don't have any landing gear. I didn't redeem it necessary. We do, however, have a hydro wings at the bottom. This, however, is for used more for stopping than taking off. We do not have any slats, nor do we have flaps of any kind, making it a little better. It's just the only negative part thereof is that we have a 15 knot per hour higher takeoff and landing and stall speeds. So I think it's all reasonable and it's not required. We have very large windows, 7 square meters in the cabin, which is optimal. As you can see, these seats pitches are same as in aircraft. They're 32-inch pitch, but as you can see, every seat in front is higher for about 6 inches, allowing for extra legroom. So this will be quite comfortable, I think. Once we build the mock-up, we'll have a much better idea. So if we can go back to the cockpit, just to see some of the stuff is there. Bob is still flying. So here we've got our ground speed. We're using ground speed because we're actually working next to the ground. Don't want to do indicated airspeed. Here is our height above ground level, and this is our decision height where we would like to fly. This is all autopilot, and the whole aircraft is fly-by-wire. This aircraft is also not an aircraft, it's technically a boat. It is governed by the Maritime Organization, so no pilot licenses are required, thus avoiding the entire International Civil Aviation Authority guidelines. So that's it for me today. I hope you like this, my little boat. As you can see, I've painted Qantas colors. I've got many of these color schemes. I'm still looking for investors. So if you know of anybody that would like to fork up some money so I can build this, please let me know. Okay, thank you. Cheers.